some salad. And this is the bag that all the salad is in. I'm gonna just show you what it looks like. And these are the ingredients. There's the crunchy things, and there's the cheese, and there's the mustard, or what kind of, no, the ranch, and that's all the steps that we need to do. And let's start off with the crunchies. And then let's pour all that in. And then let's put all the cheese in. And then our thing that we have to be careful with opening is the ranch, or else it'll spill all over the place. And where are the scissors? Oh, they're all taken out. And oh, they're the kind of scissors that I need, but the black ones are lost. Here are the black ones that I need. These ones are better than the purples. Okay. And which spots are good? Okay, right here. Boop, 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 boop. Be careful not to cut the wrench. Okay, and with that, open this, and let's go ahead and pour all of it. It's not open. It is. Wait. Okay. And we're gonna pour all of this in, just like normal. Squeeze it. Okay, that gets a little bit hard. Whew. This is gonna be a little bit tough to get all this ranch in. Don't mix it up in the same spot. Please, what stuck to my foot? Oh, that's just ranch. Oh no, it's just crunchy stinks. Is this all that I have to squeeze in? Perfect. Yeah.
Now you want to mix it.
But oh, I got some on my finger. Good. Now we just have to taste everything. Crunchy, good, and salad, good. Lettuce, good. Why? How did this?
You have to mix it all up. Use these.
How did this?
Use these bear claws
How
to
did
mix
this
it
get
up.
on here?
Oh, when we cut it, I guess.
That's because you guys cut the ranch. Do you have to mix it all up with these?
Yeah, you use them like claws.
Oh, okay.
You have to use both at the same time.
Okay. Is it gonna get? Does it get like dirty with the?
Mhm. Yeah, it's the
That's
claw.
okay.
Yeah, we'll wash the claws after. You have to like.
Yeah. I know. We have to like mix it up on the salad. Make sure that every single one of the salad gets some ranch. Look at how yummy this is. Look at how yummy. Oh yeah, that looks super yummy. Yumma, 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 yumma.
Is it all finished?
Yeah, I think it's all finished, but where should I put the claws? Okay.
Show us your finished product.
Ooh, the salad.
Good job.
Now that's how you make a salad. What? Subscribe, and hopefully I get lots more subscribers.